Hi y'all! Welcome back to Vlogmas day number 13. Yes, it is the same day and I don't care. We need to get those videos out. Christmas is literally Thursday and it's Sunday. So, we are back with another snack cooking kind of video. I have one of these Popin'Cookin things. No baking, just weird powder and water concoctions. We're gonna see how it turns out. It's supposed to make donuts. And we're gonna see if mine look like the picture. Probably not, but that's okay. So, without further ado, let's just open it up and get started. Let's get cooking. Thankfully, there are English instructions on the back because this obviously is not an American product. That's kind of cute. Look at the little bear. Okay, I need scissors. Okay, so it looks like we have cocoa dough powder, so to make chocolate ones. Vanilla sauce powder, so like frosting maybe. Strawberry sauce powder, chocolate sauce powder, ooh, custard dough powder, that's probably good. Little sprinkles, random crumbs. I think this is for a piping bag. A little spoon. We have some molds. I'm already failing. This looks like a little bundt cake style, and this looks like a regular donut style. And then I think these are the mixing compartments. Let's read the instructions. Normally, I'm not the type of person to read the instructions, so I guess we'll do it. So we're gonna fill the depression in this with water, and then we mix in our powder and then use the back of the spoon to press it down, it says, until there's no more powder, and it becomes a dough. I don't think this is gonna taste very good, but let's try it. Custard sounds better than chocolate right now. Oh, and then we're supposed to cut this little tab off. There's literally a how-to video, but we don't got time for that. We're gonna get a plate to put our dough on when it's ready. We're gonna first put water in here and then make the custard dough, and then we'll make the chocolate dough next. Okay, we got our water. We're gonna put our custard. Let me smell this. It doesn't smell bad. And then it wants us to press it until it becomes a dough. I guess that's what we're gonna do. Watch it literally taste like Play-Doh or worse. Okay, we almost have all the powder mixed in, and then it says to use our hands to knead it into a ball and then separate it into 2 parts. So, I think we're only supposed to be able to make 4 donuts total. Okay, I'm done with this spoon. I'm kneading it, I don't even care. Ew. Ew, look at this. It's like gross looking. Okay, this is actually really simple. So, we have our dough. We're gonna make it into a ball now. Split it in half. We're gonna put one in the bundt cake looking one. Okay, so we got that one in. We're gonna put the normal one in. Normal may be offensive, I don't really care. Okay, the standard donut. Standard donut, whatever. None of us are normal, okay? Okay, this is what we have. We're gonna... Looky there, looky there. 2 little donuts. I'm just gonna put them on an actual plate. And then we repeat that with the chocolate, so let's do that. Water. We got a chocolate pouch. Cut it open, pour it in, mix it up. I literally almost dumped that all in the sink. So we're just gonna mix it up. I don't even care if these taste good. It's the experience that matters. Okay, the chocolate literally just kind of smells like hot chocolate powder. So I don't know what's in these. I don't know if I want to know what's in these. Something's in there for them to like turn into a dough. Okay, it's getting chunky. I'm almost ready to go with my hands. Okay, we're kneading the dough now. I don't know how this is edible. Does it look chocolatey? Does it look yummy? I don't know. We're just gonna mix the rest of this and then call it a day. And then we're gonna split it. So let's turn this into a ball. Split it. Make 2 donuts. We're gonna start with the bundt cake looking one again. Like so. Put it in the standard donut. Press it in like so. Like that and pop them out. And we have 2 more little donuts. So those are 4 donuts. They look like dough that you'd play with, not eat. Now we fill this up with water, this little tab, and then we mix it with the frosting kind of powder, and then we ice the donuts, I guess. I think we'll do vanilla and strawberry because we only have 2 and we'll just leave chocolate. So this time we're gonna add the powder first. strawberry next. I've mixed them a little bit. Oops. They both look pretty white. That one's strawberry, that one's vanilla. Water in this. Dump it in. Second one, dump it in. And mix. Okay, why is it kind of like ice cream? That's suspicious. That's very suspicious. I don't know what it is. Now we're gonna mix the strawberry one. So that's what we're working with those. And then I want this to make a chocolate pen. The freak. We'll add that to the large compartment. Triangle of water. And mix it up. This is what we have. I think I'm just gonna make them kind of standard. I'm gonna make this one half chocolate, half strawberry. Mmm, so yummy, not? Looks literal disgusting. Like dog poop or something. Okay, there's the chocolate side. I'm gonna do the same thing to a regular donut too, but chocolate. So we're gonna put chocolate on half. And then this one's gonna be half chocolate, half vanilla. There we go. There we go. Get some of that strawberry and add it on. Way messier. I think this one will be strawberry and vanilla. Let's put vanilla on this. Okay, why is that one actually looking good? Vanilla and strawberry on this one. And then this one we'll do all three, like Neapolitan. So we got chocolate, we got strawberry, we got vanilla. I like that. That looks so ugly. I'm gonna show you guys and we're gonna have some sprinkles. Okay, so that's what they're looking like. Not the cutest, but let's add sprinkles and fix it. We're adding some sprinkles to the pink half. And we'll add them to the white half. We'll do the chocolate half on this one. This one can have them all over. Okay, yeah. Wait, I forgot we had crumbs. Okay, there's our donuts. There's the donut. If I did not just get done making a baking video, I would have tried harder, but let's just try one of these. Ugh. I'm scared. These look so gross. Ooh. They're so rubbery. I do not want to swallow that. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the custard one tastes like. You know what? That one's better. That one's better, but I don't know what's in it. And I don't trust these. Dad, you want to try this?
No, they look scary.
They are scary. I think you should try it. He's too scared. He's a little baby right now. I'm not joking. Yeah, I'm not going to swallow those. I just spit them out. They're literally like weird dough stuff. But, you know what? I didn't pay for them. I just did it. It was fun to do. Eating them, that's another story. So, yeah, they're kind of cute. Not going to finish these. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Very suspicious, very different. I tried. Not my best. I admit it's not my best work, but who cares? And yeah, that concludes Vlogmas day number 13. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.